Today, I'm going to share with you my easy step-by-step guide for installing window film. One-way mirror film, also known as two-way mirror film or privacy film, can be applied to glass to turn it into a one-way mirror. Unlike typical mirror films, which are too transparent, high reflectance one-way window film provides both daytime and nighttime privacy. To enhance window privacy, the most effective and affordable solution is the application of reflective film. Once applied, the film will make the exterior side of glass a mirror, preventing vision through the glass while maintaining the view from inside. What is one-way mirror film? It's a thin poly material that incorporates several layers to control different properties, such as UV light, heat, glare, and privacy. While enhancing privacy, it also makes windows more energy efficient by reflecting the sun's rays. It's also easier on the eyes and prevents bothersome glare on televisions and computer screens. Installing window film is simple once you know how. I'm going to go into detail about the tools you'll need and provide you with pro-level tips to ensure a flawless finished project. Hi, I'm Jessica with Two-Way Mirrors. Every week we bring you new lessons on how to increase your privacy based off our expertise in the optical and security industry. Let's get started. To begin the installation process of window film, you will want to have a few items in your arm's reach. These items include the application spray solution, a measuring tape, a utility knife or razor blade, a squeegee, glass cleaner, and a microfiber cloth, one that doesn't leave fibers behind. Once you have your materials gathered, begin by cleaning the window that you're going to apply the film to. This will ensure that no dust or debris gets stuck in between the window and the film. Once your window is clear from any dust and debris, you're going to want to measure the length and width of the window and take your razor blade and cut your window film about 1 inch bigger in each direction than your window really is. When we cut film for our clients, we ship it with a little extra already added to ensure that you have an easy and flawless application experience. Next, you'll want to remove the backside from the window film. If it's a large window, it helps to have a second person hold the other end to prevent accidental creases. Place tape on each side of the film in differing directions and gently pull back the backing from the film. Be sure to be extremely careful when performing this, as the film may crinkle if handled too rough. After the backing is removed from the window film, you'll want to grab the application solution spray and spray the window and the other side of the window film that was under the backing thoroughly. Once sprayed, gently place the window film on the window and grab your squeegee. Use your squeegee to force the air bubbles that are trapped between the film and the window out to the edges of the window. Once the window is free from the bubbles, use your utility knife or razor blade and trim the excess from the window edges. And there you have it, how to apply window film quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to punch that subscribe button in the face! Until next time, I'm Jessica with Two-Way Mirrors, and I'll see you in my next video.